Good morning. My name is Patrick M. I've been on Preply since August 2019, nearly 6 years, and I have over 8,200 lessons successfully completed on this platform. I have a degree in manufacturing management as well as a TEFL level 5 teaching English as a foreign language course, a business English certificate, as well as other qualifications that are necessary to be able to teach English. This has helped me as a tutor to cultivate a teaching environment that is warm, encouraging, and consistently professional. I believe strongly in the power of empathy and possess a demonstrated ability to connect effectively and efficiently and build rapport with individuals across age groups and backgrounds. My approach is dialogue and active participation rather than passive monologue based delivery. I'm passionate about learning and believe that it is a dynamic two-way street where both the teacher and student contribute to and benefit from the educational exchange. Drawing inspiration from the profound observation by Albert Einstein that no one never ceases learning from the moment of birth until the end of life, I am genuinely enthusiastic about the opportunity to embark on this educational journey alongside my students. Thank you for taking the time to review my qualifications and teaching approach. I am confident that my blend of real-world experience, dedicated training in TEFL, and commitment to a student-centered philosophy can provide a valuable learning experience. Thank you.